Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. And firstly we need to check for updates, so open XIAOMI Earbuds application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu and you need to scroll down. And at the bottom we have update firmware. Firmware is the same as software. You need to enter into your account, because without it you cannot check for updates or update software version. So tap at this line, and if you enter inside this setting, it means that you have update, and if you have only this information, it means that you have the latest software version. Now update if you have a new version. And then, if it didn't help you or you haven't new software version, I recommend it to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen music in Apple Music, you need to just remove this application from the cache and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the last version for your audio player application, and update it if you haven't. If it also didn't help you, the last one, I recommended to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put both of your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. Inside the case we have connectional button, and you need to press and hold this connectional button until the LED light on the front side starts blinking orange. So press and hold, firstly it starts blinking white. It means that you enter prank mode. Don't worry, just keep holding this button. Here we go, now we have orange LED light, so you can release your fingers. And then we need to reconnect these earbuds with your phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. And at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top. Not all Android phones have this button, but if you have, you need to tap on it. And if you have iOS, you need to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back and return here. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so you just tap on them at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!